Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have admin rights so you can create system tasks. Open Start, type Task Scheduler, and press Enter to launch the app. Once it appears, make sure you select the Task Scheduler library view. Next, click Create Task for full control or Create Basic Task for a wizard. Choose a clear name and description so you can find it later. Once done, pick whether the trigger will be time-based, at log-on, or tied to a system event, because this defines when your task runs. You now configure what the task actually does, so click the Actions tab and choose Start a Program for scripts or apps. Browse to the executable or script and add any arguments and the working directory. Once set, switch to Conditions to control behavior. Require idle time, specific network availability, or AC power only. These avoid unexpected failures. Make sure to set the highest privileges if the task needs elevation. Finally, check settings to allow missed runs and set retry intervals so the task survives brief errors. You finish by testing. Right-click the new task and choose Run, then watch for success in the last run result and the History tab. If it fails, open Event Viewer for detailed error codes and messages. This explains permission, path, or dependency issues. Make sure the account used has log on as batch job if needed, and verify file paths and network resources. As a key troubleshooting tip, try switching to Run whether user is logged on or not, and enable the highest privileges option to resolve most permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.